Welcome, today I am with AirPods 3 and I will show you how you can use this touch control panels. So I'm going to put one of the earpods to the ear, and in this one I'm going to cover this sensor and I will just show you how great this touch control works. So I'm currently on the YouTube, and if you want to play music you have to just press once right here. As you can see, the music is on the way. When you want to pause, just click here one more time. You just click once. There it is. When you click and hold it, you are going to turn on the SIri. And as you can see, there it is, our SIri. So we can, for example, say like, SIri, could you please play this YouTube song? Okay, let's try one more time. Click and hold. SIri, play music. Okay, so as you can see, SIri is working with the earpods, and another option that you can use is the double tap. So when I double tap, I'm going to turn on the next song. When I'm going to quickly tap 3 times, I'm going to turn on the previous song. Let's turn it off. And as you can see, here we are with the previous song, and let's turn on the next one more time. Double tap, and there it is. So double tap for the next song, triple tap for the previous song, tap once to play or pause, and click and hold for SIri. And that's all. So if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.